confused now.
All right, baby.
Oh.
Show us what you can do with the 12 gauge shotgun. Your first time.
Yeah.
The spectators here.
That's the key.
Go for the right target.
Oh.
She got the milk jug. Good job.
Oh wait. This, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, gotta pump it.
Yeah, you look badass. God, looks
Did
good.
I hit something?
Yes,
Yeah,
you did.
the
You hit
white-
milk jug.
Yeah, the big white tall.
That was good.
Get the right target, the green target in the bottom right.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Cock it again. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah. Three or four.
You guys see that?
Go for that.
Take out that target.
I've never done this before.
That's cool, isn't it?
You're much better drunk, it looks like.
See why we made shotguns? You don't have to be real accurate.
Yeah.
Are we out?
No?
Yeah, she's out.
Well, she just put one in the chamber. I saw it load
Okay,
up.
there's one going. Yeah, you
Yeah.
got one. Then we got more right here. Whoa! Good
Impressive,
job.
Be careful, baby.
There's my friends and family.
Okay, now it's your guys' turn.
Here, I'll let you take that.